Set to go now. Good luck on your pick 4 tickets. Anytime now, race number 5. Gates open, juggling act, Piltobo, special trophy race, runner number 12, Golden Wage, draws for your lead, running in second is Cheerleader, then moving up on the outside is runner number 6, down on the inside is Lady Liam as they race towards the half-mile pole. Golden Wage leading the field, Cheerleader is by the row, Lady Liam is racing in third at this moment, then moving up on the outside is Stunning Success, Temptress down on the inside, then followed by the favorite Talisman, routing towards the 600. Cheerleader by about 3 lengths, running in second, Golden Wage, then moving up, Lady Liam Tans. There was a spill, rider up horse, Golden Wage, left unseated, and down the stretch they come, Cheerleader, Lady Liam Tan on the inside, Temptress, Talisman is on the outside. It's Cheerleader by about 3 lengths now, running in second by the Lady Liam, Talisman, and finally Cheerleader. Then comes Lady Liam, close between number 3 Temptress and Talisman.